Hi, I'm Dennis, and I'm here to bring you another data science book recommendation. Today, I'm recommending Extreme Ownership by Jocko, Willink, and Leif Baven. A really good book that gives you a different perspective on leadership. I really like the concept of the total ownership, the extreme ownership of a team. And I use this with the data science teams that I've led. I tell everyone on day one, nothing that you do that goes wrong is your fault. It's on me. I didn't train you properly. I didn't explain myself clearly, or I didn't guide you in the right way. And that's really one of the extreme ownership concepts. I own my team's successes, but I also own their failures. And I think that really frees up your team members to do their best work because they know that you're backing them up in any situation. So it's a book that I've enjoyed. I've applied the concepts and I found a lot of success with them. I think anybody could benefit from this book. Maybe perhaps a little bit more for an advanced manager, not necessarily a new manager, but it's still a very good book for anyone to read. And if you'd like more data science leadership content, please click on like and follow below.